Hi, I'm Raoul Gabriel, CEO and co-founder of Cambridge Coding Academy, and we've partnered with His Royal Highness the Duke of York's iDEA initiative to teach you how to code. I'm really super excited about this. Computer code is a universal language we use to create apps, games, websites, and software in general. In this series of video, you will learn how to create the game Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird is a game that was released in 2013 and went viral really quickly, reaching millions of people on the internet. The developer who created it claims that he was making up to $50,000 per day through advertisement. Here's our version of the game Flappy Bird. So you've got a bird, and you need to avoid the pipes that are coming from the right side of the screen. Every time you avoid a pipe, you get 1 point. Here you can see I've got 3 points now. Okay? So this series of video is for complete beginners. So if you've never done coding before, this is for you. At the end of each module, you will earn a industry-endorsed coding skills badge, which you can showcase on your CV. By the end of the series, you will have built your own version of Flappy Bird that you can show to your friends. But more importantly, you will be able to create your next awesome projects and show the world what you can do. So, are you ready? Let's get going. This is going to be a really awesome adventure.